just received today the most hype foundation right now, and it's the Juvias Place I Am Magic Matte Foundation, and I know a lot of you guys may be thinking of getting it, so I wanted to review it for you guys. And I'm an oily girl, so we're gonna see how this works, how it feels, the color that I chose. This is what the foundation looks like. I love the color of the packaging. This is my first time ever purchasing anything from Juvias Place. It retails for $20 and is described as a velvety matte foundation. It does come in a 1 ounce like any typical foundation. Went with the color, I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it correctly, okay? Marical 710. Use swatches. I am gonna prime the face. I have a full face on except for foundation. So I'm just gonna use this Hangover RX 3-in-1 replenishing primer. It's silicone free, alcohol free, oil free. I'm gonna spray some in my hand and apply this. I always prime, so out of all my foundations, I have 2 of them that match me really, really well. I will be swatching that against so you can see the difference. This is cruelty free. It's made in Italy, has a shelf life of 24 months. Our Second Skin Creamy Foundation offers a smooth application with a soft, natural, and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. A great formula to give out the complexion, refine skin texture, and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types. We'll see about that. Including sensitive and oily. This is what it looks like inside, so it's not a glass or anything. I guess it's great for traveling. It does come sealed, but I removed the seal. This looks pretty small, but it is the standard 1 ounce for foundation. This foundation did come out in 42 shades, so there's a huge selection. Just put this in the back of my hand. This is the color that I picked. And let's just do a swatch and see. Ooh, it feels very creamy and it looks super full coverage. I remember I reviewed a long time ago, don't even watch that video, it's bad, the Dermical foundation. That was like the most popular like full coverage foundation that you could get like on Amazon or on their website. This is the color. We'll leave it there. I will apply a new swatch later and we'll see how much or if it oxidizes at all. So let me just apply some dots. Looks pretty good, right? We'll see how well this blends. I'm using this Eco Tool sponge to blend, and it doesn't have a scent. It smells a little like foundation, but oh my god, this color. This is I don't think this is my shade. Well, we'll see. Let's see. It's blending really nice. Let me just look at it up close. Looks very pretty actually. So I'm just applying some more. That is crazy. This is, oh my god, it's too light. I mean, blending it down my neck, it looks good. Let's see how well does it cover this spot that I have here. I love the finish of it. You know, if we're oily, we like this. My god, it looks like a mask. Website for this color, it says it's a fair skin with neutral peachy undertones. I'm not a peachy undertones, I'm a neutral undertone, so I messed up there, but that's why I'm here, so I can help you out. I'm gonna set it how it looks with bronzer with a full face of makeup. Before I do that, I just want to swatch some of the shades that I know that are like a really good match for me, just so you can see. So I'm gonna start with this one. This is, oh my god, do I have anything left here? This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I'm in the color 3.25. So it looks very similar on camera, but it is not. This is definitely more like a little bit yellowy. I'm not a peach undertone. So this is my Urban Decay one. I'm going to show you this one from Catrice, and I am in light beige. This is a really, really good match for me. See that color? That's me. See the difference? Look at that. And once it dries, I'm gonna swatch it again and we'll see if there's a color difference. Just gonna set my face really quick. I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Translucent Powder. Oh my god, this shade. Oh my god. I'm gonna bronze really quickly, and I'm gonna use the Ciate bronzer in Palm Island. We definitely need some color, but if I have any darker foundation, I guess I can blend this one in. Really like how I concealed that. Like, it looks pretty good. Really good on my nose. I do have to look after I finish how it's looking on the fine lines, on the wrinkles. We have to see, because my Kat Von D, that's super full coverage, that is a love-hate relationship because of how it makes my fine lines look. I have reviewed that too. I'm gonna put some blush. I'm gonna use this Tarte blush in the color Party. I can't make this color work. Gonna put some Color Pop. Lunch Money, just a little bit, nowhere else. As for in my forehead, I don't feel like there's a problem there. I don't feel like it's emphasizing my fine lines a lot. Maybe because I primed, but I always prime. Coverage is beautiful, the finish is beautiful. But if you're oily, you probably always set your foundation anyway. It's just what works for us. So you really, look how much this oxidizes. This is the Urban Decay. But you see, this is my perfect shade. That again, just to see. Oh wow, look at that. That definitely oxidizes, so just keep that in mind. You may not see it a lot on camera, but it does. Just put one layer and I'm not looking cakey. Would say, like, if you do put powder, try not to put a lot because it'll start to look a little weird. So just powder and then maybe just put some setting spray. I'm just gonna put some red lipstick just to see. At least you know, if you're like extremely fair, like I think I'm pretty fair, but if you're more fair, like they're gonna have your shade. They have, like I said, 42 shades to choose from. I like that on the packaging it tells you the number right there. The actual foundation, there's just a little sticker, so if you for some reason it comes off, that's the only place, unless I'm completely blind, which that is possible. That is the only place that you have the shade name on the actual bottle. Names are true, it definitely is a full coverage. Juvias place, it's so well known for the eyeshadows and I can't believe I've never tried them. Like, they look amazing. I've been wanting to buy them, but I never have. So this is my first item from them and I'm impressed. Not their fault that I chose the wrong color, but besides the color, like, I really like how it looks. This is the first impressions, but check the comments. I will leave like the update. I have to use this a couple of days so I can tell you, not just like a one-day thing. I have to use it for a couple of days and I'll tell you how well did it work, because some look amazing like this, like we look super matte, and that's like our dream. Most of us oily girls, it gets us like super oily really quick, you know? We'll see. Okay, I'll leave all the previous foundations that I have reviewed if you would like to check it out.